So before starting with the analysis, let's take a quick look on this week's calendar. Right here, I think the only significant news event that I'm looking forward to would be unemployment claims and GDP. I don't trade JPY, but even this is a very significant event right here. So that is my major concern. Now let's come to trading view again and see what is happening. So now, before, as usual, we'll always look at DXY to get an idea of what we can expect in the present week, right? So right here, I expected DXY to clear out this liquidity at 103.8 odd levels. We still fail to do so. Now what I'm expecting is this right here, it looks weak on the upper side. It is just a V-shaped recovery, and we are in a lower high, lower low formation. So there's a very good chance we will continue to drop below, get this, and maybe then continue higher. Overall, we are bullish. At present, we are bearish, right? So let's take a quick look on Euro USD. Now, same thing with Euro USD. As I said earlier, I was expecting Euro to touch this significant supply area right here. We still fail to do so. Now what I'm expecting is, if I were to go on a weekly time frame right here, so we have pretty much retraced on the downside, and now we look like we will most likely continue higher. If I go on a 4-hour time frame right here, this does look weak now, right? Because we are still in a lower high, lower low formation, and we haven't had any bullish confirmation so far. So again, slightly tricky, and very little confirmation for the bullish side to play out. So wait until at least 1 hour turns bullish and starts making higher high, higher low, right? So that's pretty much it about Euro USD. Now in comparison with that, GBP USD looks very strong as such, right? Right here I have my daily supply at 1.28 odd levels, and overall we have beautifully swept all this liquidity and started to push higher. So what I think is, there's a very good chance we will continue back into this imbalance or this imbalance right here, and then push higher, maybe from this level or maybe from this level itself, right? So GBP USD looks very good even on an hourly time frame and even on a daily time frame, right? There's a lot of conviction in the bullish side. So that's about it on GU. Now finally, let's talk about gold. So if you follow me on Twitter and Telegram, you very well know that I had already shared my view right here. When we failed to close twice about 2432, that is exactly when it concerned me that maybe we don't hold this rally anymore, right? We might lose momentum, and that is precisely what happened. We lost momentum, and we had a very nice sharp fall all the way from 2430 odd levels to all the way down to 2300, 27, 24 odd levels, right? So now what I'm expecting is, even though we are into deep discounted levels, which does make a lot of sense to buy, but 4-hour is still bearish, right? So I will wait. As long as 4-hour is bearish, I'll remain bearish, and I will target at least 2277. That will be my first target, and eventually I can expect for a 2200 odd levels, like, right? So this is my anticipation on the bearish side, and if price fails to make any higher high, higher low formation. Now the second condition, if it makes any higher high, higher low once it has breached 2325, then there is a very strong possibility we will go back into 2400 odd levels. All right, so because there is absolutely no strong supply being created in between, so there's a very good chance there's a very beautiful trade that is coming, either on the long side or on the short side. But I am pretty much excited to see what this week holds. So that would be it. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.